What if I told you that there are a handful of altcoins that could double your money by 200x in the next few months? And Luke Belmar has his sights set on them, believing that this is not just another bull run, but the final super cycle. With the Bitcoin ETF, AI, and Web3 trends gaining momentum, these select altcoins could be your ticket to life-changing returns. In this video, we reveal the small but powerful altcoins that Luke predicts will dominate the market and deliver life-changing returns. The next few months could be your last chance to get in on a super cycle like this. Don't be the one watching from afar. Enough talking. Let's join 10-Minute Crypto and get straight into the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
If I'm observing and trading just Bitcoin, I'm going to be limited to the performance of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at almost $1 trillion market cap. Great. Let's say it goes to $10 trillion market cap in the next 5 to 10 years. It's potential. It has potential to it, especially if they continue printing dollars. But do I want to sit on a 5x or a 10x on Bitcoin? Or do I want to go create my wealth and multiply my wealth in narratives and then dump my wealth into Bitcoin so that I can keep my purchasing power?
Bitcoin is the first and most important cryptocurrency in the world. Currently, the price of Bitcoin has reached $84,667, and it is leading the market with a total value of more than $1.67 billion. This is a special type of digital asset because there are only 21 million Bitcoins in the world, which makes it unique and valuable over time. Bitcoin is not controlled by anyone, which makes it trustworthy and secure. Many people use Bitcoin to store value, similar to digital gold, or to make quick payments globally. Large companies such as Tesla, BlackRock, and MicroStrategy have invested heavily in Bitcoin, having found faith in its energy source. In the future, experts expect the price of Bitcoin to increase to $100,000 to $150,000, even x200, especially thanks to major events such as the approval of Bitcoin ETF and the participation of large financial institutions. If you want to invest, start by buying little by little over time to minimize risks. Bitcoin is a great choice for storing value and long-term investment. However, with the current value of BTC, it is still difficult for small investors to access BTC. So don't stop because there are still coins behind that will continue the success of BTC in the future.
First, what is Luke Belmar holding? Right. So I think the most important position in my portfolio is Ethereum. The most important portfolio that I've built with regards to Ethereum is staked. So I'm a big proponent of staking in Ethereum.
Yeah.
So I think Ethereum is a $10,000 coin. Why? One very simple fact. When you have the Bitcoin ETF approval go well, and these greedy motherfucking bankers put their dirty little paws and sticky fingers on this Bitcoin ETF and realize how profitable it is, guess what token is up next?
Yeah, Ethereum.
Following BTC must be ETH. Yes, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, currently priced at $3,299.81, and with a total market capitalization of nearly $397 billion. This is the platform on which many modern applications such as NFT games, decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts are being built. What makes Ethereum special is that it allows automated transactions without anyone in the middle to control. Currently, all 120.42 million ETH have been circulated, making this currency easy to buy and sell and keeping its value stable. Large companies such as Microsoft and Visa have also used Ethereum to develop their own technology, showing the strong power of this platform. Luke Belmar predicts that the price of Ethereum can increase to $10,000 or even x300 in the next bull run, thanks to improvements in the possibility of Ethereum ETF approval. If you are looking to invest, Ethereum is a great option for beginners or long-term investors. You can buy a little at a time to minimize the risk of price changes. If BTC is too far away, ETH is a very reasonable option. Consider investing in ETH today.
Bitcoin, crypto, DeFi has decentralized that. And the moment people realize it, which they slowly are, they're going to start pouring in. And they're going to pour into the path of least resistance. And this narrative, it's Solana.
If BTC or ETH aren't for you, SOL is a great place to start. Solana is one of the fastest growing blockchains out there, with a price of $218.84 and a market cap of over $103 billion. It's a platform that's used by many projects due to its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. With proof of history, POH technology, Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second, making it ideal for applications like decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. Major projects like Magic Eden and Serum have built on Solana, and it's also attracting big investors due to its scalability and innovation. Luke Belmar predicts that Solana could hit $300 to $400 in the next bull run, with the potential to grow by X200 or X300 from where it is now. If you are looking to invest in crypto, Solana is a great choice. Not only does it have great technology, but it is also being used a lot. You can start by buying a little at a time to reduce your risk and hold for the long term to take advantage of the potential price increase in the future. Before continuing with this topic, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed about market information and avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency market. Join my free 10 Minutes Crypto Telegram group for up-to-date information, videos, market conditions, and to not miss out on the latest $0 airdrop opportunity that I'll be updating exclusively on my Telegram channel that no one else is talking about. Plus, I'm giving away 30 free ebooks for beginners with essential knowledge to master the crypto market. You can find the link to the channel below. Now, let's get back to the video.
So there are narratives happening here, but I think the normies, the people that are at the new entry stage of this, what we like to call information and access supercycle, are going to use the paths and tools of least resistance that are readily accessible to them on their phones that just happen to be, in this case, Solana and AVAX and things of this nature.
Avalanche, AVAX, is a super fast and reliable blockchain. Currently, AVAX is priced at $34.37, and its market cap has reached over $14 billion. It is a favorite platform for many developers because it can process transactions quickly, with low fees, and is extremely secure. Avalanche is popular in areas such as decentralized finance, DeFi, blockchain applications, and NFTs. One thing that makes Avalanche stand out is its Avalanche consensus technology, which allows it to process thousands of transactions per second without sacrificing security. With over 407 million AVAX in circulation, Avalanche is a highly accounted-for platform that is always ready to meet the needs of its users. Many large projects such as Aave and organizations such as Tether have used Avalanche to build their products. Luke Belmar predicts that AVAX price could rise to $50 to $70 or even X300 due to the strong development of the ecosystem. If you are looking for a good investment account, Avalanche is a smart choice to start and hold for a long time. It is worth your consideration today.
And empowers people on top of that platform to trade with low gas fees, high frequency trading, and being able to have more of a Solana type feeling are going to be the products that win in the Ethereum ecosystem. These are all considered L1s. You have different companies that have been absolutely crushing. You have ZZKSync, you have Layer 0, you have Immutable X.
Immutable, IMX, is a blockchain created specifically for NFTs and gaming, with a current price of $1.35 and a market cap of over $2.26 billion. It is a super fast and cost-effective platform that makes it easier for users to transact, especially in the gaming and digital art space. The project uses Ethereum's advanced Layer 2 technology, which reduces transaction fees and processes transactions extremely quickly. This is important for game developers and NFT enthusiasts, as they need to transact thousands of times without incurring high costs. Immutable has partnered with big names like GameStop and TikTok, which shows that they have a strong position in the industry. Luke Belmar predicts that the price of IMX can increase to $3 to $5, even X200, thanks to the rapid growth of the NFT and blockchain gaming space. If you are looking for a simple and potential investment, Immutable is a great choice. At a reasonable price, this is your chance to get involved in the future of gaming and digital art without breaking the bank. And finally, the coin that Luke Belmar thinks will rise sharply in the near future is ZZKSync. It is a project that makes Ethereum faster and cheaper. With a current price of $0.1433 and a market cap of over $526 million, ZZKSync is attracting a lot of attention. It uses ZK rollups technology, which is like multiple transactions into one, saving money and making things faster. This is important because Ethereum is becoming more and more popular. Currently, ZKSync has been applied in areas such as DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFT, digital assets, allowing people to transact with low costs and high speed. Luke Belmar predicts that the price of ZK could double or triple, up to 30 cents or 50 cents, or it could even skyrocket x200, thanks to the strong development of the blockchain market. If you are looking for a potential project to invest in, ZKSync is a very promising option. A small investment now can yield big returns in the future as blockchain technology becomes more popular. For investors, building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial. Simultaneously, maintaining investment psychology by not panicking during market fluctuations is important. Capital management is also critical, as investments should align with financial capabilities and specific investment goals. Profits and losses are inevitable in financial investments. However, investing time and belief in ourselves is always a gain. If you find this video helpful, you might also want to watch this one to better understand the market and what is worth investing your time. Now, catch you on the next video.